Hello, welcome to Traveler Trashatana. Today, we are taking you on a journey to one of Hanoi's most unique and iconic attractions, Hanoi Train Street. Nestled in the heart of the old quarter, this narrow street is famous for its vibrant chant, bustling local life, and of course, the thrilling moment when a train passes just inches from homes and cafes. In this video, we'll explore the history and cultural significance of Train Street, show you what makes it so special, and share tips on how to experience it safely and responsibly. So grab a cup of coffee and let's dive into the magic of Hanoi Train Street. Hanoi Train Street is open all day, but the most popular times to visit are during the train schedule at 3:30 p.m. and 7:30 p.m. The pictures of trains passing through the narrow Hanoi train street used to create a boom or social media. This is the reason why in recent years, till the time it is closed for tourists, Hanoi train street has drawn the attention of people all over the world. Thank you so much for watching this video.